Krishna, my name is Ambareesh. I'm from Silicon Valley, and Dev Prabhuji has recently appointed me as Mridanga teacher for Mridanga Studios, and I've been teaching for almost a month now, and I'm really excited for this new service because I get to share my knowledge with other Vaishnavas, and I'm really excited to go on forth it. And as I said, I'm from Silicon Valley. I participate in Vaisheshika Prabhu's Kirtan, and I have been playing Mridanga for 2 years now. Today we're going to be practicing the Rela and the Lofa combo. And the Rela is usually played toward the end or in the middle when the singer adds a little variation to the Maha Mantra. And then we can find the Rela and the Lofa combo you played anywhere, like the Damodarastakam or devotional songs like Ohe Vaishnava Thakura, or basic any 2-beat kirtans. Right now I'm going to be playing in a specific pattern. So once I'm going to play the Lofa Tal once, and then I'm going to play the pair. The pair means open and close. So that's one pair. So I'm going to play the Lofa Tal once and then that pair once. So here we go. You can play Mridanga from your side if you have it around, and I'll play it from here. And the music for the Rela and the Lofa is written in the description below. Let's get started. Okay, so that was the combo of the Rela and the Lofa. Hopefully you have played along with me. And this is just a slower version of what I'm playing for the Rela. So you can see my small side. Okay, now you can see my big side, what I'm playing. This is just a slower version of the Rela that I played. So if you check the Mridanga Studios, there's this one video that Dev Prabhuji had uploaded. It was called the Ainda Speed Up Mantra. This mantra is very close to that mantra. In fact, I feel like it had like derived from that mantra, because there's some parts that's just taken away from that mantra. Please go watch that video. Let's check the Rela for the Lofa in the Kirtan. This Kirtan is performed by Kirtan Premi Prabhu. The link for the Kirtan will be in the description below. For now, you can play the Mridanga while I play the Mridanga. Let's check the Kirtan out. Now. Watching this video, and I'm really excited to share my Mridanga knowledge with all of you all who's watching this video. And the important links for this video will be in the description below, such as the music, the notes for what I played, the Rela and the Lofa Taal will be in the description below. And then please, you can watch the Indra Prabhu Speed Up Mantra, the video that Mridanga Studios previously made, which is really close to the Rela that I played, is also in the description below, and you can go check that out. And hope to see you again. Hare Krishna.